So hey guys, I'm back with another vlog as you guys can see. So now I'm officially like, why am I saying officially? I don't even know why I'm saying officially, but like now I am okay. Well, let's just say to you guys, now I'm officially a professional footballer. So my dream came true, and now I'm going to France as a footballer, known as a footballer, for playing for my team, for PSG, to win the World Cup, and inshallah we'll win it. I just slept and woke up in the car, so you might like hear some noises in the background. The noises are, I'm outside actually. I'm in like a Derafront market. It's like a fish market. You can get like all the supplies from here, like meat, fish, vegetables, everything. So now I'm over here and just wanted to say to you guys, Eid Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. Didn't too much do vlogging in Ramadan, but did like hardly 2 vlogs in Ramadan, 2 or 3 vlogs, which the 2 vlogs I uploaded, one of them I didn't upload. And comment down how did you like my thumbnail of my videos. That was my first thumbnail. I never knew my videos thumbnail were very weird, so I thought to start making some thumbnails. So now that was my thumbnail. Rate it out of 10 in the comments and show some love, bro. Guys, come on, we are so close to 2k. Now I have 1.5k, 500k. Okay, so like we are so close to 2k. So I need to beat Atif, and yeah, I'm really proud, Atif. I don't know how, but you are doing this. And I growed my hair back, as you guys can see. You might have listened to my voice. It's pretty changed because the weather changed, the climate changed, and I'm also pretty sick. Just wanted to make a vlog telling you guys Ramadan Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. So it's 50-50 chance. Maybe tomorrow is the Eid, or maybe the after tomorrow at Monday there's Eid. Don't know, but inshallah when it will be, I don't know. 50-50 chances going on. When it will be good, inshallah. And I'm gonna make a Eid small special vlog, Eid small vlog. So now I'm gonna show you around the place where I am. I came to buy meat for tomorrow's cooking. My mom said we need to buy, so I'll just show you guys a quick back out. It's like where we can buy meat. So it's like everything, bro. They have everything. Now over there, if you go like this, and if you go like this, and then like this again, you will get a fish, fish side. I'll show you guys later. You will get fish, where they sell fish. So there will be fishes, all the sea animals, all the sea creatures. It will be there, and yeah. So the sea creatures will be there, and they're gonna sell it. Just need to select it, and then there's a counter like this. It's like a bakery. So there's a counter like this. Over in there, in that counter, you have to give them your fish, and they'll cut it and remove all the dirt and give it to you back. If you don't want, you can just take the fish to your home. So these are some shops over here which are already closed. I don't know, because we are late, guys. It's almost 1 a.m. now, and we came to buy here meat. We are running late a lot. So we are running late a lot, and we didn't do much shopping. We did shopping, but not much. This year, not much shopping done. Last year, mashallah, too much shopping we did. But this year, not. I can't say we didn't do shopping, because we did shopping. I can't say that, because we did shopping, and we did. You know how much? I could say 75% shopping is finished. I didn't buy shoes. I buy shoes. Oh yeah, shit. I buy shoes. My sister didn't buy their the clips, bands, and their shoes. That's all. And my mom, she did everything. My dad finished everything. That's all. So only me and my sisters, shopping is little bit left. You can get all things here. So over there, I'll show you guys a quick fast. I'll show you guys. Over here, if you're kids trouble, so you guys can just leave your kids with them. Then now it's closed, and basically my mom and my dad just leave us over here. Sometimes not. So like it's like we have to pay for it, guys. It's not free. You have to pay for it. There's like a trampoline. There's like a. I'll show you. There's slides. There's like a ball pit. Yeah. So as you guys saw, wait, they have cars also now. So now the main thing is the fishes. Yeah. This is famous for fishes. And now you guys can see over here the fishes. These are the like. Oof! Look at this. Look at this. That's alive. That's real. That's not fake. That's real. Look at their eyes. Okay, never mind. They are more big here. I may like not be allowed to go here because these people sell them, but if I want to watch them, then I'm allowed to. So look at this fishes. There's like every kind of like fishes you want over here. Every sea creature, like nothing is left. Every sea creature they have. Yeah. So I'm just going to show you the quick recap of this one. It's like a big place, bro. It's like a big place. There's every shit. I'm telling you, there's everything, bro. There's like everything. I'm not going over there because there's like little bit some supplies. Water is there down. So I'm wearing my shoes and my shoelace. It came out. So I need to put it like tuck in. And my dad is calling now. So where I'm gonna like edit it from CapCut. Wait 1 second, my dad is calling me. So let's continue, and my dad called me and he said like come near the place where they are. So they just called me. I need to go, I need to leave. Just came here to buy like meat, chicken, and that's like it's like a very inside. They have turtles, everything. Even they have sharks, but not the big ones. They catch it from the sea. So now just you can buy some like some type of materials over here. There are some shops like slippers, hairband, and clips and stuff. And I think so. I have doubt that my mom have already came here. I saw my dad. I saw my parents. Okay, this is like a place. I'll show you guys. Let me ask what's going on with my parents. Then I'm gonna explore more and show you guys. So like the problem is I told you we are late. We are running late. So why we are running late is because my mom thinks tomorrow is the Eid, and I'm pretty sure I'm thinking tomorrow is the Eid. I'm not sure, by the way. It's 50-50 chance, and I have no idea if it's tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And I need to check the news one more time. So like now the problem is, so we woke up in the morning. We left our house like 4 in the evening, or in the afternoon, like evening. We left our house, then we went for shopping, and now I can see my mom and my sisters there. I think so they went to Ocean, so now they're going that side. I had to tell them they are going this side. So yeah, I'm telling that we went to Al Zahia Mall to do the shopping. Wait 1 second. Yeah, we went to Al Zahia Mall to do the shopping, and over there we did shopping pretty much, not that much, but pretty much. Then we left for like where did we go then? From city center. From city center we went to Karama. From Karama we left like now like 12:30 we left, and we ate like this much. So now my dad found like a bakery. So over there he over there he just ordered something. Hi Ariba, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi FIFA. So now over there he ordered some pizza. Yeah. So I need to tell my mom that my dad is there. and you can see the difference in my English, because now I'm staying with, like, in my club here. So I'm staying with the UK, London people, and their English is really fluent. So I've been like just talking to them, and my English have improved a lot. Maybe not, I don't know. Because of my sick voice, maybe you can't see the fluent English, but yeah, some of my words are fluent now. And see you guys after I eat my pizza.